Your first act was understanding the transformation of thought into matter, a natural process that didn't need teaching, as it was inherent to life itself. From this understanding, the creation of forms began. In the early stages of creation, beings of light contemplated their essence and transformed light into matter by creating suns, a vast multitude of them. These suns, formed from the fusion of condensed energy, became centers of life, with rotating spheres or planets orbiting them. Over time, designs took shape on these planets, and it took eons to refine these creations. Who crafted this universe and all others that orbit an even greater cycle? You did. Each creation through thought expands your experience, evoking emotions, the deepest treasure of thought within you. Through these feelings, the material plane was formed. Your divinity lies in the fact that you are the original sparks of light. Everything created by you holds the essence of life, because it carries the breath of its creator. You endowed your creations with intelligence or instinct, which gave them purpose and allowed species to evolve through reproduction and the sharing of genes. This gift from you, the creators, allowed all living things to embody the spark of life. Once a stable ecosystem was in place, these beings decided to create a physical form to experience their creations directly. This is how the embodiment known as humanity was conceived. Thought is an essence that passes through matter. Beings of light could become the flower, yet could not smell it, or the breeze that rustled through trees, yet could not feel them. To truly experience the physical essence of their creations, they needed a form that vibrated at the same rate as the world around them. Humanity was created as a vessel to experience the physical realm and express creativity through solid matter. Humanity was conceived as an ideal, a perfect embodiment for beings of light to inhabit. These creators brought everything into existence through their will, transforming thought into universes. The Source did not create the universes. It is the universes, while you crafted them through thought, feeling them within your essence. Many of you were among the original creators who came to Earth eons ago, forming life here. Over millions of years, drawing from the source of thought, you used your intelligence and creativity to shape your ideals. You, beings of light, brought forth living organisms from simple reactions in water. This was the foundation for creating diverse life. Initially, your creations were simple forms of matter, but as your understanding of creation grew, so did your complexity in design, bringing forth plants, animals, and other living beings. Creatures emerged as expressions of your creative essence, embodying life with mobility and unique characteristics. A group of you created flowers, adding color, aroma, and eventually varied designs. As light beings without physical form, creation was effortless. Whatever you envisioned, you became. By merging with your creations, you gave them substance, personality, and intelligence. Once each creation took on life, you would move on, ever searching for new forms of expression. Everything you created here would not be so beautiful or meaningful without the breath of life from its creator within it. You are the ones who infused your creations with intelligence, with patterns of genetic memory known as instinct. This is what gave your creations purpose and enabled them, through reproduction and genetic sharing, to evolve into new species. Yet each new species carries within it this intelligence, this spark of life from the original creative beings who set the patterns for evolution. This is why all living things hold a part of the life force, the essence of you, their creators. It was only after a balanced ecosystem had been established here that these beings decided to create a physical form through which they could experience their creations directly and express their creativity as themselves, not only through their creations. This desire led to the embodiment called humanity. Thought is a penetrating frequency, an essence that moves through matter. Beings who were thought in the form of light could become the flower, yet not smell it. They could become like the breeze that moved through trees, but never feel them. They would pass through stone, but could not sense it, as thought is unaffected by the slower vibrations of matter.